this lesson we are going to learn how to loop through a string. First of all, let's see what's our string. Strings are array of bytes in a Python. Okay, array we will learn in future video. Then what are bytes? Byte is a computer architecture term for memory storage that encode a single character of text in a computer. Okay, then guys, let's create a variable and pass some string and loop through the string and get each character from our string. Pass some texts, some strings. Okay, now as we have created already variable and we have passed some strings. Now how we can loop through and how we can get each of this character with the help of for loop. Of course, there is two types of loop that we will learn in future videos. We will talk about loops more and more. We will discuss. Then here we need for loop. For loop. From the name, it's already clear. For loop. For is our loop. Then I is here optional. You can name anything that you want. But I'm going to name it I for I in variable. Print I. What's it going to do this for loop for us here? For is our loop. I is a variable. For I in variable. Variable we have mentioned already here. This is the variable that we have already signed our text, our string. This for loop will go on top and get the first index, the first element, the first character. It's T, and it will save it in I. The second time it will go there and will get the second index, its first index. Of course, in computer system, indexes start from 0, 1, 2, 3. T is our 0 index. It will get from 0 till the last index. Each time it will go on top and will get the index and will save inside of I, inside of your variable. And we are going to print this and see the result. Let's print and see the result. Guys, as you see here in my console, my terminal, it's successfully printed. We can see here, it's time to learn. We could loop through and we could see every single element. Let's print, and clearly we could see here, time to learn. Okay guys, we have learned how to loop, how to iterate through a string and get every single element from a string by the help of for loop. And we know that there is two types of loop. One is while loop and one is for loop. And here, to iterate through a string, we need to use for loop. And guys, we are going to learn more and more about the loops, usually for loops and while loops. That's enough for today.